A Seek Reality Online member asked, I absolutely want to experience eating, drinking, and sex in heaven. So what replaces those pleasures? The answer likely will surprise you. People don't realize the truth about what we can experience in the next life. In this video, I explain what you will be able to experience. Hello, I'm Dr. R. Craig Hogan, President of the Afterlife Research and Education Institute and Seek Reality Online. When you first transition to the life after this life, you can have all the sensual experiences of earth, except those that harm yourself or others, such as hunting, drug addiction, violent actions against others, and so on. If you want to eat, drink alcohol, smoke, have sex, or have other sensual activities, those will be available to you for as long in the future as you want them. Your state of desire will make them available to you. You want them, so they'll be there. Eventually, you'll find you derive greater pleasure out of other activities you can't even envision now. Then those will be available to you. You're stuck with your Earth School mind right now, with its desires and expectations. That will change over time. You just can't imagine them now. You're stuck in the Earth School environment's desires, rather analogous to being stuck in infancy or adolescence in this life. Your life will go on, and your desires will change. With your Earth School perspective, the things that give you pleasure seem like all you want to experience forever. But just as an infant can't imagine the pleasures of being a child or an adolescent or an adult and wants to keep the favorite rattle and the oral satisfaction of a baby bottle, you can't imagine or understand the pleasures you'll have as you leave the Earth's plane's limitations behind. But don't worry about it. You'll be satisfied beyond measure by the wonderful new sensual experiences you enjoy. Everything that you expect and want to have in the next life will be available for you.